Hi everybody, Brian here from Touring Plans. Today I am back at Universal staying in a hotel I have never stayed in until today, and that is the Portofino Bay, specifically Lowe's Portofino Bay Hotel at Universal Orlando Resort. This is not my room, this is the hallway. It just looked like a nice mural to start in since this obviously is Italian themed. Anyway, this one is my room 3331. Walking in, the first thing you actually come to is, well, a mirror. And we have a Keurig coffee maker, a couple different coffee, teas, some glassware down here, actual like fancy glassware, like real wine glasses and stuff. This is the flagship resort here at Universal, meaning it is one of the more expensive ones. This and the Hard Rock, I believe, are similar in price at least, but this is the one I believe they would say is the nicest one. I actually recently stayed at the Grand Floridian, the flagship resort, of course, at Disney World, and I would say these rooms are pretty similar, actually. 2 beds, very nice. The lighting on the mirror is interesting looking, much like the Grand Floridian room, not necessarily my style. Oh, you can see I have the resort channel on where they're just talking about alcohol now. I'm at Universal. Have 2 plugs here right next to the beds. That's nice. No USB ports like they're doing it to a lot of the rooms at Disney now, but I'm sure they will get there. Still has a clock on it though. I do like that. Over here we have the TV again. There's Jurassic Park, some Minions. 6 smaller drawers. Right in the middle here is the refrigerator. Of course, they have some nice Fiji water there in the room for you for only $7.50. So I think I'll just get my own water. That's cool. This really nice looking table. The shape of it is kind of odd for the room because it kind of sticks out much farther than like the dresser does here, but I guess you're not really walking over there anyway. The top is nice. These chairs are very nice and comfortable. I was sitting in there when I was setting up. Photo of the real Portofino. And outside my room, I have the false Portofino. Actually, I have a very nice view from this room. Unfortunately, no balcony or anything like that, but a very, very nice view of the Grand Harbor, I think they call it. The main waterway, and as you can see right there, I am very close to the ferry boat that takes you to the parks. You can also walk to the parks from here. I think it's about a 10 or 15 minute walk, but I haven't done it yet. But I will tell you more about that in the resort tour, which will be coming pretty soon. I haven't filmed that yet either. Another chair here, nice comfy chair with an ottoman. Another photo of the real Portofino. You can compare that Portofino with this one, and you know, it's not that much different except for the mountains in the back, which not getting mountains here in Florida. Coming back this way, we have this kind of this odd blank space right there, which I assume is just for luggage. I actually don't mind that. They do have those little folding things in the closet that you can put luggage on, so I assume you can just put those there. Much like at the Grand Floridian, actually, the carpet here looks like it used to be very plush, but is now fairly packed down and worn. They probably could do with a carpet replacement in here, like at the Grand Floridian, actually. Single closet. We do have some robes in there. The safe is in there. It is just one of those really small, thin wall safes that's only like that big, that you really can get like a tablet in and not much more. And here is the bathroom, which is very, very large. Including the very large mirror that I can't seem to get out of. I like these decorative tiles around the mirror. Those are very nice. And this little thing that holds Q-tips and stuff. Double sink, no storage underneath, but that's because there is this storage thing over here in the corner that is, I guess, a little bit classier, but try and give you an idea of how big this bathroom is here. Now I'm standing just kind of next to the shower as I shoot this, and there is quite a bit of floor space here. Toilet, more photos of Portofino. Over on this side is the shower. Behind the door. Standard tiled shower, but a nice one. Before I say goodbye, one last feature that I have to point out. Right here next to the light switch, there is this switch that says TV volume control, which I couldn't figure out, but of course you gotta turn it, right? What it is that you can't see their TV really from here unless you kind of lean out that way, but you can hear it. Yeah? So that's a thing. not gonna say I don't like it. Well, and that's it. That's my tour of my room at Portofino Bay. It's nice. In terms of quality of product, size of the room, I think it's very comparable to the Grand Floridian. The Grand Floridian is the level you have become accustomed to at Disney and you're taking a trip to Universal. Portofino Bay might be the choice for you. Thank you for watching and be excellent to each other.